जो 2020 में आया था। क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है? अल्फा एंड बीटा बी द रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. So alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Then we can say that alpha square minus alpha minus 1 equal to 0, or we can conclude that alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1. And similarly, beta square minus beta minus 1 equal to 0. From this, we can conclude that beta square is equal to beta plus 1. Now, from the question, pk is defined as alpha to the power k plus beta to the power k. So, let's see p1. p1 is alpha to the power 1 plus beta to the power 1, which is equal to 1. Sum of the roots minus b by a. Now, consider p2. p2 is equal to alpha square plus beta square. But we know that alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1. So we can write alpha plus 1 plus beta square is beta plus 1. So we can write beta plus 1. So P2 is equal to twice of alpha, not twice. It is alpha plus beta plus 2. Alpha plus beta plus 2. Alpha plus beta is 1. So P2 is equal to 3. P2 is equal to 3. Now next is P3. P3 is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube, which is equal to, now consider this one. Consider this one. Alpha square is equal to alpha plus 1. So alpha cube we can write alpha square plus alpha. Multiply both the side by alpha, we will get alpha cube equal to alpha square plus alpha. Similarly, beta cube we will get beta square plus beta. So we can write it as alpha square plus beta square plus alpha plus beta. We know alpha square plus beta square, that is P2, it is 3. And we know P1, which is alpha plus beta 1. So your P3 is equal to 4. Now let's calculate P4. P4 is equal to alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. Alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. Now we know that alpha square equal to alpha plus 1. So we can write alpha to the power 4 as alpha plus 1 whole square plus beta plus 1 whole square. Alpha plus 1 whole square plus beta plus 1 whole square. Or we can write alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 1 plus beta square plus 2 beta plus 1. Or we can write alpha square plus beta square plus twice of alpha plus beta plus 2. So the value of P4 we will get. Now alpha square plus beta square value we know. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to, we have already calculated, 3 plus twice of alpha plus beta. We know 1 plus 2. So this is equal to 7. We have calculated P4, which is equal to 7. Now let's see P5. P5 is alpha to the power 5 plus beta to the power 5. So alpha to the power 5 you can write as alpha square whole, let me write here, alpha square whole square into alpha plus beta square whole square into beta. Now this alpha square you can write as alpha plus 1. So alpha plus 1 whole square into alpha plus beta plus 1 whole square into beta, or you can write as alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 1 times of alpha plus beta square plus 2 beta plus 1 times of beta. Or let's take alpha cube term together. You can write it as alpha cube plus beta cube plus twice of alpha square plus beta square plus alpha plus beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube means we have already calculated. This is equal to 4 plus twice of alpha square beta square we have already calculated. This is 3 plus alpha plus beta is 1. So this is equal to 6 plus 11. So P5 is equal to 11. Now you know all the values P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So now let's check options one by one. P5, option B is correct directly, you can say. P3 is equal to P5 minus P4, option A. P3 is equal to P5 minus P4, which is definitely correct. 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Option A is also correct. Now sum of all the numbers you will get as 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 11, 26. So C is also correct. Only option D is incorrect because we are searching for not true. Incorrect option ढूंढ रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So option D is not correct. You can try one thing. Find the relation between PK minus 1, PK minus 2 and message me. You can find alternate way of solving this question by finding the relation between PK minus 1, PK minus 2. That means reduction formula and message me.